Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must avoid fake view schemes. Do not use bots to inflate metrics. Instead, start by securing your account and connecting approved APIs. Once done, pick 1 to 3 priority videos and craft strong titles and thumbnails that compel clicks. Make sure to add keyword-rich descriptions and timestamps. This helps YouTube surface your content. Act now. Set up analytics access and a posting schedule so you can begin legitimate optimization immediately. You will focus on scalable, policy-compliant workflows rather than bots. Use the official YouTube API to schedule uploads, add captions, and update metadata. This saves time and keeps you compliant. Once live, automate analytics collection for watch time, retention, and click-through rate, and monitor trends. Make sure to run controlled /B tests on thumbnails and titles, and automate prompts for engagement like pinned comments and end screens to increase genuine viewer interaction. You will finalize by launching according to your schedule and pushing legitimate promotion through socials, newsletters, and collabs. Once launched, iterate weekly. Tweak thumbnails, calls to action, and the first 15 seconds because that drives retention. Make sure to use analytics to guide changes. Small tweaks compound. If views stall, troubleshoot by auditing metadata, audience retention graphs, and traffic sources. Focus fixes on where viewers drop off. Do not resort to bots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.